Hi, it's Valanda Calloway coming to you to talk about a very exciting partnership that LCI has with a company called Ironlace. Graham Buxa is joining me to talk about it. Graham, it's so nice to see you.
Nice to see you too, Valanda.
Yeah, so let's talk about it. LCI is helping Ironlace get these laces out in record time to your customers, right?
Wow, it's been such a huge transition for us. We've been in business for a little over 10 years. In the last 2 years, I don't think we've been able to keep up. The orders just keep coming in, and every time we think we have a little bit of breathing room, they just keep coming. And so it's been a really exciting time to work with LCI because in the last year, our existing manufacturing transferred into an LCI facility, and they've been there to help us through this transition.
So let's talk about what LCI is doing for you. The manufacturing plant is producing the laces for you?
Yeah, so we have all of our products made in everything from materials to labor and assembly and fulfillment is in the United States, but the bulk of that is at our LCI partner facility in Raleigh. And we have machinery that we've imported into their facility, and they do all of our manufacturing. So what we get is something like this. We get cordage or the shoelaces in a variety of different sizes and shapes, and we have it brought over to the facility, and we have a few different machines, and they cut and tip the laces to 10, 12 different lengths. And I think we have over 50 different products. So, when I say that, it's actually quite, even though it's just shoelaces, it becomes a complicated matter because we've got to worry about all the different inventory sizes, where they're kept in inventory, how much inventory we're managing, the boxes, all the different, it's just shoelaces, but it becomes quite a complex task in managing that. We've really turned to LCI to help us grow.
And you've actually been able to produce, I forgot the exact percentage, but it's a big number, a lot more than you were before connecting with LCI.
Oh yeah, absolutely. And over the last year, we made a visit to LCI in right the first day of March in 2020, before sort of lockdowns came and before COVID really hit, and we met with them, and we were just so impressed because we were able to, we were essentially operating out of their Raleigh plant for years, and we didn't know that, how big this could get or really what was happening. And we went to Raleigh to see, how we can improve our process. And when we arrived at the headquarters in Durham, just the depth of the organization, all the different teams and people that they had there, their fulfillment center in Raleigh or in Durham.
Let's talk about these laces. They're almost indestructible.
Our shoelaces are super strong. They don't melt, so they're really popular with firefighters and welders. And anyone who works in construction and kind of uses their foot as a place to rest something heavy.
You're working right now to get your laces into hockey skates.
If it matters to you to have your best performance, and to always have time on the ice when it matters, then you should get our laces. And one of the big reasons we do this for hockey as opposed to other sports first is because you're literally walking on a cutting edge. And that's what our laces are designed to do, to stand right up to this. And so our laces, one of the common complaints about these, other than stretching and breaking all the time, is that you're in a game next to blades.
You're working on a Kickstarter campaign?
Yeah, we've got a Kickstarter campaign right now, and we're launching these products. They're available till December 17th, and we're hoping to get through our first production run. So with hockey players, we can decide what type of striping, how much wax, what color it is, and then deliver it to their hands at the end of February, early March.
Fantastic. Well, we hope that your Kickstarter is successful and that we can do even more business with you.
Great. Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure talking to you and learning about Ironlace.